Welcome to Update Area YouTube channel. Here we have the payout dates for January 2023 regarding the SNAP emergency allotment. So starting off with Alabama, January 31st all the way through the 1st of February, California February 4th or February 11th, Colorado January 8th through January 13th, DC is on regular issue and schedule. We also have Alliance January 21st through January 29th, Hawaii February 13th, CalSAWS February 19th through February 28th, Louisiana January 7th, the 14th, the 21st or the 28th, May January 10th, Maryland January 4th all the way through 23rd, Michigan 21 all the way through January 30th. Next we have New Jersey January 1st through January 5th and New Mexico January 1st all the way through the 31st. North Carolina January 22nd through the 31st. Ohio January 24th or the 25th. Oklahoma January 10th through the 15th. Oregon dispersing payment once again in the round, so around 1 January 10th, round 2 January, round 3 February 1st. Next we have Rhode Island January 4th, South Carolina January 1st through January 31st, Texas January 3rd through the 5th or January 19th through the 10th. Once again Texas January 3rd through the 5th or January 9th and through the 10th. Utah January 28th and Virginia January 16th. Next we have Washington setting up payment anywhere between January 1st through January 28th and West Virginia January 4th and Wisconsin January 21st, and there is also a couple of states that will be sending their emergency allotment for December in the month of January. Remember, these are the states that are usually 1 month behind. So starting off with California, they will be sending their SNAP emergency allotment for December on either January 7th or January 14th. Hawaii also sending their benefits from December on January 10th to cancelled January 22nd through the 31st. And Miss Justice January 3rd, Minnesota January 10th all the way through 31st, and Vermont January 12th. And continuing on with the information regarding the emergency allotment, here I want to tell you guys some interesting information that I found regarding the public health emergency. And as you know, the public health emergency goes hand in hand with the SNAP emergency allotment. So Governor Hochman has signed a letter urging President Biden to end the public health emergency in April, and Governor Holcomb wasn't actually the only governor to do that. Is 25 governors in total to have called on the federal government to move on from the pandemic ending to the COVID-19 public health emergency. So let me know your thoughts on this in comment section. So I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.